Hello, children. I hope everybody are fine. See, today I am going to teach you neighborhood part 3. Last part 2 classes I thought neighborhood, community, and the places of the neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Many families living together in the neighborhood. Those who are living around our house, they are called the neighbors. Then people living in the same area from the community. We can see many places in the neighborhood. Already we learned post office, bank, fire station, police station, again hospital, market. These are all. Today we are going to learn what is this place? School. Most neighborhoods have schools. We learn many things at schools. What we learn in the schools, children? Reading, writing, drawing, again singing, dancing, again respect, how to respect the teachers and how to respect the elders, then obey to the teachers. These are all we learn in the schools. Not only these, you can learn math subject wise, maths, Kannada, English. So these are all subjects you learn in the schools. And again, other good habits, even good manners, how to behave with the elders, the teachers. So in your families, that all we will teach in the schools. And you can make many friends in the schools. Is it no, children? Yes. These are helpful to us. The school is very helpful to your children. Next is, which one this place? This is the park. Most neighborhood have the parks. Is it no? Which is a beautiful neighborhood. They have the parks. They make the neighborhood healthy and also look pretty. So the park is look like greenery, even like it is looking like a beautiful, and it gives us pure oxygen. So it is very healthy to us. People come to the park to walk and exercise. Why the park need the in the neighborhood means the people, those who want healthy oxygen means they will go to the park and they will walk, even elders, children, everybody. Even children, they like to play in the park. The gardener looks after the park. See how much greenery is there in the park means the gardener works in the garden. He always put the water to the plant and he is cleaning in the park. That all he take care of the park. We should not pluck flowers or leaves in the park. We should not play or walk in the flower beds. Just they are playing in the playing area. Is it no, children? Yes. So these are the facilities in the park. Next, we can see the public place. What is this? Bus stop. Did you see, children? Every neighborhood has a bus stop. Is it no? Even your village also, in your neighborhood also have the bus stop. We get buses to different places from a bus stop. Many buses will come no in the bus stop. Some will go to the other town and some will go to the cities. Like buses are a low cost means of transport. So that's why the people are like to travel in the buses. So this is also one of the neighborhood place in the neighborhood. We learn many places in the neighborhood. So we saw all the places in the neighborhood: hospital, bus stop, school, park, market, again police station, fire station, post office. This all we saw. So the next point is taking care of the neighborhood. How should we take care of the neighborhood? How should we keep our neighborhood? Again, how should maintain our neighborhood neat and healthy? Let's see. We can make our neighborhood a clean and friendly place by following some simple rules. We have to follow only some rules to make our neighborhood clean and healthy. Community members should take care of the neighborhood. All the community members, they have to take care of the about the neighborhood. How should keep the neighborhood neatly? Then again, uh, should not make dirty, or should they maintenance? This all they have to take care. We must help to keep our neighborhood clean. We should not make dirty in the parks or the bus stop or the any places. Neighbors should help each other. If they want any help in the neighbors, we have to help them. When neighbors and community members should not do anything that disturbs the neighborhood. When they are going in the park, we should not make teasing. Or if any animals going in the road, we should not stray that. We should not tease that stray animals. So that all we should not do disturb in the neighborhood. We should try to make our neighborhood greenery. So we have to planting more plants and trees in our neighborhood, then we can get a greenery neighborhood. So these tips you have to follow in your neighborhood. Neighborhood means in your villages also you have to follow same like these rules. Then you should not make dirty. Simply you are spreading on the roads, again making dirty the walls, bus stop walls, and some other always they are writing on the walls. This is very bad. These are the bad things. You should avoid that. If they are doing anybody, you should tell them should not do that. Okay, children. So these are the neighbor here. How to keep our neighborhood clean and friendly. Okay, bye children. This lesson is completed. I'll send to the exercises. You can complete in the notes. Bye children.